This is the first level of our game. This is our character, which have the behaviors of platform and scroll to. Platform allows the character to move inside the game, and scroll to allows the layout to follow the character. Also, the character has two instance variables, HP, which is the value of health, and HP max, which is the maximum amount of health. This is our enemy, which has the behavior platform. And these are platforms, which have the behavior solid. So it allows the character to jump between them. And these are bullet, which have the behavior bullet. So in a way, this is the projectile of our character. The game has three layers. HUD, which is information that is visible inside the game and is a card. Level 1, which is the game, and BG, which is the hitboxes that are behind the game. Event sheet. When the right arrow is released in the keyboard, the hero will set not mirrored, so it will not flip to the other side. And when the left arrow is released in the keyboard, the hero will set mirrored, so it will flip to the opposite side. And when the hero is on the platform floor, it will enable his movement. And when the spacebar is pressed in the keyboard, the hero will spawn bullet on layer level 1 in the image point bullet. So when we press spacebar, it will appear the bullet inside the layer of level 1. And when the spacebar is released in the keyboard, the hero will set animation default and will play from beginning, so it will stop the spawn of a bullet. And when the hero is jumping through the platform, the hero will set animation jump, so when the hero is jumping, it will set the animation of jump. And when the hero is on collision with Pit, which is a hitbox in the edge of the layout, the hero will destroy, which means that will be disappeared of the layout, and when the hero is destroyed, the system will wait 5 seconds and it will restart from zero. And it will restart from the beginning. Enemy. When the variable of the zombie is 1, the zombie will set mirrored, so it will move to the right. And the zombie simulate platform placing right, so it will simulate that when a zombie simulate platform pressing right, it will move from the right alone. And zombie's animation to move, so when he's moving, he will set animation move. And when zombie is with variable is 0, the zombie will flip to his original position and it will simulate the movement with the movement of pressing left. And when the zombie is in collision with the hitbox red barrier, the zombie variable 1 is equals to 1. So when the zombie variable 1 is to 0, and system, when it's pressing something else, when it's in collision with something else, it will set the variable 1 to 1. Health. On the startup layout, the set of a width it will be to the character of the health width, and this will be using from the health of the character. So in every tick, we will use this formula for this action. We use set width to our character health divided by our character maximum health multiplied for 100. And when the hero and the health points of the hero have always to be much more than zero. But when the hero is on collision with the zombie, the hero will subtract 1 point from the 8 health points. And when the health points of a hero are equal to zero, the hero will destroy. The system will wait 2 seconds, and the system will play from the beginning. And when the hero is overlapping the hitbot's transport, the system will the system will allow the character to go to the level 2. And when the right arrow is pressed on the keyboard, the hero will set animation walk from the beginning. And when the left arrow is pressed on the keyboard, the hero will set the animation walk from the beginning. And when the zombie is overlapping the bullet, the zombie will destroy. So when the bullet is overlapping the zombie will disappear.